Guys, we have wave buttons right here. What does this thing do?
Wait.
Oh, that thing already waves. Look. Basically, when you wave it,
Wait.
it says wait every time you press it. Watch this.
Wait.
Oh, there you go. There you go. So basically, when you press that, but you're not allowed to press it. You wave it. Looks like this. Basically, I'm in my exit right now.
Where do you want to cross?
Oh, here. So, basically, when you wave it, I can wave it. Look.
Wait.
There you go. I don't understand. It says push or wave at button for that. So basically, when you press it,
Wait. 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 Please cross Southeast Visitor Boulevard at South Federal Highway. Please.
you heard him. Believe me, this is small work. Hey, what I can do? No, listen.
Wait.
I finally waved it. I finally waved it.
Southeast Visitor
Look.
Boulevard.
What do you want to do? What is this thing?
Wait. To cross South Federal Highway at Southeast Visitor Boulevard. Please.
We're gonna look at this.
Where are we crossing?
Is she looking at us? Why is she looking at us? Is she interesting? Look, I finally we made it. We find the push or wave at button for that. Basically, when you press it, basically when you wave at the button like this,
Wait.
it automatically pushes. I can really see it. It's a default, I guess.
South Federal Highway.
Let's see what else here. See, I'm walking with footsteps. So, all right. So I'm looking at this. I'm looking. Let's see what else. Let me press it or wave it. It says push or waiver. Okay, this is out of default. All right, that thing doesn't work. Something's wrong with it. Oh yeah, so this one's blinking. The light's blinking because the light doesn't. That means it's a default, and I can't even press it. It's not good. I'm so confused. How is it not waving correctly? I can't automatically wave it. So confusing. Basically, when this thing doesn't work, that means, oh yeah, if you see this blinking light up here, that means the crosswalk is out of default. I guess, or has been dead a long time. Basically, when you push it, it doesn't do anything. It's just blinking light itself, and it's weird, I don't know why. Basically, it's out right now. Oh, come on, the walk sign. It doesn't take too long. Come on, I'm not waiting. Why are you still blinking? I'm confused. This is not good. So this is automatically failure. That was a failure today. That the blinking light wasn't working this way. Accidentally. So you never want to wave it. accidentally. So basically, when you wave it, it doesn't do anything. I know. That thing's not working, right? It doesn't. Don't press it. Don't press it. It doesn't work. Don't press it. That thing is at a default. Something like that. There you go.
Wait to cross South Federal Highway at Southeast 5th Street. Wait.
So this one is Southeast 5th Street, and this one is SE Meisner Boulevard. Basically, when you wave it, it goes like that. Oh, so listen, I didn't press it. Not at all, because I went like this. Give a like. I'm sorry. I was giving the like to someone. Something like that. Nice. That's nice. So, basically when you do this, I do a visible touch. Look, I'm going to show you something right now.
Wait to cross South Federal Highway at Southeast 5th Street. Wait.
Talking traffic lights. Here you go.
Be careful.
And thank you guys for watching.